The Goulding finch, a tiny jewel of the Australian outback, is a marvel of nature. Imagine a creature capable of changing its appearance with its emotions, a living canvas of colors. Not quite a chameleon, but just as captivating and mesmerizing in its own right. The Goulding finch can shift its feather colors, a spectacle that has fascinated naturalists and bird enthusiasts for centuries, leaving them in awe. These vibrant finches are not simply changing clothes, they are displaying a complex interaction of biology and beauty. The colors we see are a result of intricate feather structures interacting with light, creating a dazzling display. These structures can actually shift based on the bird's diet, health, and even stress levels, making each bird unique. A healthy, happy finch is a riot of color, a true spectacle to behold. But a stressed bird might appear duller, a clear signal to attentive owners that something is amiss. Understanding their needs and providing proper care is key to appreciating the full splendor of these rainbow birds, ensuring they thrive and continue to enchant us. Many are captivated by the Goulding finch's beauty and believe owning one is like owning a piece of the rainbow. But these birds are not toys, they are living creatures with specific needs. One common misconception is that they thrive in solitude. This couldn't be further from the truth. Goulding finches are highly social animals. In the wild, they live in flocks, relying on each other for safety and companionship. Depriving them of social interaction can lead to stress, depression, and even illness. Another misconception revolves around their diet. Goulding finches need a varied diet rich in fresh fruits, vegetables, and high-quality seed mixes. Journey with me now to the heart of Australia, to the grasslands and woodlands that the Goulding finch calls home. These vibrant birds thrive in the open spaces, where they can find ample food and shelter. Picture a vast expanse of golden savanna, dotted with eucalyptus trees and acacia shrubs. This diverse landscape provides a rich tapestry of life. The air hums with the buzz of insects and the calls of exotic birds. It's a symphony of nature, a constant reminder of the ecosystem's vibrancy. In the wild, they are nomads, traveling in flocks across the landscape in search of food and water. Their journey is a testament to their resilience and adaptability. They are acrobatic flyers, their brightly colored wings flashing in the sunlight. Each flight is a display of their agility and grace. Males will puff out their chests and sing complex melodies, hoping to attract a mate. Their songs are intricate, each note a call to potential partners. Goulding finches are masters of body language, conveying a wealth of information to their flockmates. Their interactions are a dance of communication, essential for their survival and social structure. Section 4. A bird that speaks our language. Mimicry in the Goulding finch. Of all their remarkable qualities, perhaps the most astounding is their ability to mimic human sounds. Yes, you heard that right. These feathered maestros can learn to imitate human speech, whistles, and even tunes. Imagine hearing your favorite song whistled back to you by a tiny rainbow-colored bird. It's like having a living, breathing jukebox in your home. This mimicry is not just a parlor trick. In the wild, Goulding finches use mimicry to learn the calls of other bird species, which helps them identify potential predators and competitors for food. Some individuals have been known to mimic complex phrases and even entire musical passages. Their repertoire can be surprisingly extensive. Their mimicry serves as a powerful reminder that intelligence takes many forms in the natural world. These birds are not just beautiful, they are also incredibly smart and adaptable. Section 5. The responsibility of rainbow ownership. The ability of the Goulding finch to mimic human sounds often makes them a sought-after pet. But owning one is not a decision to be taken lightly. These are not just decorations for our homes, they are sentient beings with complex needs and desires. Before bringing a Goulding finch into your life, ask yourself, can you provide the care they require? Can you offer them a spacious aviary where they can fly freely and socialize with other finches? Owning a Goulding finch is a privilege, not a right. Section 6. A future for the kaleidoscope. The Goulding finch, with its kaleidoscope of colors and its remarkable abilities, is a treasure of the natural world. But their future is not guaranteed. Habitat loss, climate change, and the illegal pet trade all threaten their survival. We can support organizations working to conserve their habitat. We can choose to only purchase captive-bred birds from responsible breeders. The future of the Gouldian finch, like the future of so many species, depends on our actions. Let's work together to ensure that these rainbow birds continue to grace our planet for generations to come.